Hiya Crafters, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and I have some sassy trick and cuteness for you. So I have this fabulous new stencil from the August release at Colorful Life Designs. It's one of many awesome new stencils that you must check out, but I'm shopping for a critter, and here's my finished card. So it was really fun to play with this super cute chicken stamp from my binder here. This is my binder full of, these are baseball card pocket protector sheets. These have little flaps on them. I do use two different variations. I have one in my sentiment binder, and then this kind with the lip I have for my critters, just because I tend to have more of them and it keeps them from spilling out. So use what works for you, if this system even works for you, but this works great for the critters in this case. And I have this adorable little chicken. This is from I think Simon Hurley stamp set. I'll link everything in the video description box below, but I wanted to use that, and I used this really cool rectangle die to give this fun textured edge on this piece of cardstock. So it'll be slightly smaller than A2 size, but I'm going to stencil the background. So that's the star of the show here, is this new stencil, and I'm going to do it in such a way where it's subtle enough to not take away from the chicken, but it's a nice pretty color that works with the chicken. So I want to create just kind of this fun whimsy background. This is called Mid-Century Banner Stencil. Now I'm kind of holding it down just because there are kind of open slats. You could use pixie spray if you wanted. I didn't feel like it was necessary. I was just trying not to come at it like a lumberjack, like y'all know I often do. So I'm just kind of holding it down and also using the stick mat just to kind of help hold it in place while I work through the design. And I'm going heavier handed in some spots and lighter handed in some spots, just to give it a little bit of a variation in color, but it's still just kind of a nice subtle background to create a space for this little chicken to sit on the card. So I'm going to pull this off. I'll show you the fun design in the background. Now I just need to find a nice little snarky sentiment to go with it. Those are all storage boxes from Tailored Expressions. They're my favorite. I love how much they hold. So if you buy one of her simple strip stamps, this will hold a complete full-size stamp. And then you can also get mini ones, mini simple strips, I think, and you could probably put 2 of those per box, because you get that one tray that pulls out, and then also the tray that's kind of built in. So I have some red cardstock here with white heat embossing on it, and I picked a couple of funny sassy sentiments to go on it. I'm just going to pop up this panel so I can do this fun die cut edge justice. It really shines when you kind of have it popped off the background there. And I have Crystal Metallic Safari. This is another product from Colorful Life Designs, and you can use my coupon AmyFan10 on all of it. So it says, nope, not today, went out, do not recommend. So be sure to check out the rest of the August release at Colorful Life Designs and use my coupon for some awesome savings, and I will catch you next time. Bye.